Sup kids who technical. I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have a case from SupCase. This is the UB Pro series for the Zfold4. So we're gonna unbox it and try it out on the device. So pretty much this is the super duper nicer version of the regular UB series. This one gives you access to your has access to where you can hold your S Pen, and it has a little hinge for your hinge door for your hinge, and that is where you also keep your S Pen. So pretty much we're going to just place this on the phone, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what this looks like. If you had a Zfold3, you already know what this case looks like. They just made it for the Zfold4 now. They sent me over the red, and this, that is a nice bright red, as you can see. So pretty much let's just pull off that and place it on the device like so. Make sure you're careful with how you put it on. Just make sure you line up everything here. But I still have it's adhesive here, so that's probably why it wouldn't go on. But I'm not going to peel the adhesive off for the sake of the video, because I'll probably try out some more cases for this device. But pretty much just want to line everything up. Just line everything up like it's supposed to go. If I can get it on there, it doesn't want to go for me. Okay. Struggling, but once you get the front on, this is what it's gonna look like. Then you also want to do your back, which the back is the exact same steps as it is with the front. Just like that. Except for this one has better protection because your hinge is protected here. So pretty much all you would need to do is just open this up. This is my S Pen from my Zfold3. You just want to stick it in there just like that. Close it up. So now you're able to have your S Pen with you at all times, especially if you're rocking this case. And then your hinge is also protected, so you don't have to worry about dirt and dust and grime on getting on your hinge. And then when you want to open it up, get your S Pen out, pop it out just like that, and you are good to go. This is a nice, good look, good fit, but yes, with the area for your S Pen, it does, and the hinge, it does make the case, the phone, feel a little bit more bulkier than it really is. And you get all the protection, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you're definitely good to go. And if you, when you open it up, this case, this will not lay flat because of the the hinge protection. But that's okay, because you want your hinge and your S Pen to always be, you want your hinge to be protected, and you always want your S Pen there. So that's just something you're going to have to get over if you want to use this UB Pro case. But you do get nice lip. You do get nice lip. So if you place your phone flat on the table, you should be good to go. If you're really worried, go get your screen protector. You do get good access to your fingerprint scanner, as you can see, no problem. Your volume up and down buttons, they are nice and still clicky. And you do get nice cutouts at the top here for everything, as you can see there, for your speaker here. You get your speaker down here at the bottom with your USB charging port. It has nice little ridges here feels like carbon fiber, but I'm not sure what that is. But overall, this is a nice look and feeling case for your Zfold4. You do get a nice deep cutout for your camera, so you don't have to worry about that. And this also has your kickstand, so you can place it down in this angle if you want to, or you can just open it up and do it like this. If you're watching YouTube or anything, you can place it like this, just like that, and you'll be good to go. So pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.